student. Today we are going to how to create the account in Gunu Khata. Let me start with this how to create it. The previous video I show you about the company setup wizard. So similarly how to set up all these things we will be seeing here. What I will be going on when I will open it, when I open a Gunu Khata, I just open the company setup wizard. Here in this company setup wizard, we should write the name of the company, the case has is what you want in that, and then here the financial year you want to start and the closing means every khata book consists of 1 year, so financial year and the ending year. So this is how the year coming up. Then the company track, is it profit making or not profit. After that, see here this icon I am showing you, I have given as the click as profit making. When I go with the profit making, how would you like to use the Gunu Khata? So I put it as invoicing with bill-wise accounting, and then near below there are some of the things. Use enter key to navigate and up arrow keys and all. Use simple mode for receipt and payment mode, generate accounting, and all these are there. Then I have seen here use system generate invoice numbering. If we go with the use system generate voucher number, it will be becoming voucher, but I am going with the invoice number. Now again I will be clicking on this proceed button, and then this thing will be coming up. Okay, now next here you are having a GK service. I have made profit making, so admin what I have, then customer supplier, product, service, invoice, report, all these things will be shown in this icon. And then you having invoice, pending amount, how much, bank balance is 0 as it is not work order, and this thing we will be seeing up. Next after that you are going to create an account. How to create an account? Just again when you go on GV Self Profit account. Now in the previous video what we have seen here, admin have given up the customer supply, April, and that all. So just giving up the, yeah, I'm clicking on this. I will going up with the clicking of create account. Okay, now in this create account what I will be putting a which group you want, select the group and then subgroup of that and create multiple account, and then we will having a save, reset or import button are there that you will have to click. Now see here I've seen many group name is the capital amount you want, current asset you want, current liability, direct expense, direct income, all these things will be there. Just click which you want. I have given for a capital account. Then what you will be seeing in the capital account, it will be going as a subgroup name. Now see here, after clicking on the capital, the things which are appeared here you are seeing up. Capital I have given this, okay, and all these aspects are coming up. So whatever you want, group name is there, see, excess and all these things will be coming up. After that when you click it up here, you will be again create an account of indirect expense, and here you see that a default round of payment, round up value, sometimes we are having the value 36.333, that round up should be there, multiple accounts and so on. These are how you will be creating it. And then again you will be seeing here start. Now you have seen you are having a capital amount. In that capital I have given subgroup none. I don't want anything, so I given have none. Then I have given her startup capital. I mean it's a starting up of a business, so startup capital, and balance is 0 balance. Okay. After that you will be seeing all the list of account. After creating the account you can see the list of account what is there, accumulated depreciations, all these things you will be seeing up. Just go on that things. Now see here what all till 27 I am VAT tax, VAT in, VAT out, sales account, salary, professional fees, all these things, and you will be seeing group name, subgroup name, and default account form. We want to how to create the account. I am going up. Account name already is given up. Then I have given a startup I have given, so it's given up here. You see in the 22 it is a startup capital. I will just go in startup capital. Now capital is done, startup capital is done, created account is done. Now see here, after that this is how you will be creating an account, and every account This is how the account will be created. So you can easily know, now you are able to understand how to create an account. Simple things are there, nothing in this software is very easy to understand when you install. But first of all, by installing your software, you should Gunu Khata. This is a free software. While installing it, you should have 64 bits. If the computer capacity is not of 64 bit, it will not be installed in your computer system. Better go with that option, or otherwise go with the another option is that you can make a virtual components and put a Linux in it, and then you install this so that it work out. That is how the Gunu Khata is working, and how to create, you are able to understand how you can create the Gunu Khata. Thank you for watching my video. If any doubts are related to this is there, you can comment me and ask me about the question related to that. Better understand each and every terms while we do this practical. I will be showing these things on practical itself also, so that you can able to understand this thing. That video also I will be showing. First I have given you the presentation how to create the account. After that I will be showing you the practical session how it work out. Thank you, Jazakallah, and please subscribe my channel.